Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you so much. Naku, alam mo, balikan natin yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, yung away ng UP at Ateneo. Alam mo, kahit na medyo magkaiba tayo ng school, na nakikita ko naman talaga na very generous ang UP. At hindi lang generous na, alam mo yun, mapagbigay, pero very generous in talent.
Of course. Nag-agree ba kayo dyan mga taga-UP?
Yeah. So, palakpakan po natin sila, the UP-LB Chorale!
Come on, guys! Alright, we have a very, very fabulous number for you. Ha? Kasama kami doon kasi napakatindi nitong number na to. Ayan, yan. I believe this is it. Okay. So, we have a very, very special number for all of you. Of course, 50 years, we dedicate it to our God, Lord Jesus Christ.
But later, we will sing with them.
Yes.
For now, we'll leave the stage. Palakpakan po natin sila once again. The UP-LB Chorale!
All right!
Go back!